Hello students, lecture 90. In this video lecture we will begin Eco chapter 1, that is development. In this we will take two questions, important two questions. The first question is, why do different people desire different developmental goals? Comment your views in 3 points. And next question is, national developmental goals may not be a development for all and are conflicting. Justify the statement by giving suitable examples. So these two questions, generally these two questions, out of these questions are asked in the board exam. So first question is, why do different people desire different developmental goals? First view about this question is, different people are different on the basis of their desire, their need, their choice and capabilities. Some people desire high goals, but some start working in the early age due to their needs or other choices. Second reason for this is that because life situation of different people are different. Life situations, people are different based on their activities. Farming, farmer, industrialist, all and service sector. So whatever activities they perform, so their requirements are different, and people are different because of their area, region wise also. And an industrialist may desire more dams. On the other hand, people living in the areas nearby dam may have some different situations because they face displacement and risk of collapsing of the dam. So their developmental goals are different. Similarly, a daily wage worker may need regular work and high wages, whereas a large farmer require or they employ, because agriculture is seasonal, so here regular work cannot be provided and also at low wages, and these two things cannot meet each other. Then third reason or logic can be given is that different people are differently abled. This I'm talking about their physical capability. Some people are physically different from each other and cannot sustain that much stamina equal to each other. For example, one wants to join defense forces but fails to achieve the required physical standard, so cannot join defense forces. So this is what is the reasons for this question, that different people desire different developmental goals. Second question is, national developmental goals may not be a development for all and are conflicting. National development goals are not developmental goals for everyone and they may be conflicting. Justify the statement by giving suitable examples. So in this regard, national development and other developmental goals. National developmental goals may not be a developmental goal for all because different people may have different developmental goals. This may be explained in a better way by taking these three examples. Example number 1. Construction of a dam is conflicting developmental goal. Some people, especially farmers, whose land and other resources are consumed in the dam area or by the dam, and so they are displaced and not satisfied by the compensation given by the government. On the other hand, the industrialists, those who are getting power supply from the dam, and the people, those who are getting water for irrigation and drinking from the dam, are happy, or for them it is a developmental goal. Second example, a landless worker, agriculture is national developmental goal to grow more and more crops, but a landless worker may require high wages. Farmers, those who are not having land, so those who are working on others' land, so they require high wages and regular work, whereas large farmers need low wage workers, and appointment is casual because agriculture it is a seasonal activity. So And one more thing about this, that agriculture is highly unorganized sector where regular job and timing and working hours and wages are not fixed. So this is how developmental goal for each may not be same. Third example, an industrialist wants to earn more and more profit. So industry, setting up of industry is national developmental goal, because a country's economic barrier or index is measured by the construction of industries. More and more industries certify the development of the country. So industrialists may want to earn more and more profit, that is by best cost cutting method, whereas workers in the industry desire a share in profit. They desire share in profit and increased wages or salary, but these two situations cannot meet each other. So this is how we can say or justify that national developmental goals are not the development for all and are conflicting. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.